Welcome to 109 South Harborview Road in Santa Rosa Beach, Florida. 1,635 square feet of inspiration with 60 feet of lakefront featuring 4-bedroom split floor plan. The new kitchen features Samsung French door refrigerator with ice maker, convection range and a microwave above the range, and a quiet top control dishwasher. Stunning granite is featured in the kitchen as well as both bathrooms. New luxury vinyl plank flooring is throughout. You're sure to enjoy the open concept living area with a dining room next to the kitchen. The location is perfect as you're close to Sacred Heart Hospital, wonderful shopping, fine restaurants at Grand Boulevard, amazing golf courses. The master bedroom is tucked away on the other side of the house from the other 3 bedrooms. The master closet is nice and large, and you're sure to enjoy the master bath. The backyard has an oversized patio with such a tranquil 60 foot of waterfront you're sure to enjoy. Community amenities include the community swimming pool, tennis courts, playground, and walking trail. Come make some memories for yourself, where some call it paradise, we call it home.